What's up everyone, welcome back. Today, not only do I have one unboxing, but two unboxings for you guys today. GorillaPod stands, tripods for smartphones and GoPro, both by the company JOBY. The first one here is the GorillaPod GripTight Action Kit. It's more for mobile users, people that like to go hiking, stuff like that, you know. And this one here is the GripTight PRO Video GP stand. It's a larger one. Hand support for fluid motion, pan, and tilt. And of course, this one's a more expensive one. It's a larger one. This one here is more for outdoors people, you know, but still has some of the same features as the larger ones. So the first one I'll go ahead and unbox is the GripTight Action Kit one here. Alright, really simple. First thing you see here are the legs for the tripod. As you can see, it's very flexible. That's the main selling point of these tripods, is how flexible they are, versatility of them. So these legs here can bend in dozens of ways, as you can see. Made out of rubber TPU plastic. The feet on the bottom are rubber too for good grip. Overall feels very sturdy actually. Made out of stainless steel. Alright, we have the Bluetooth remote here. Supports up to 90 feet with the Bluetooth remote. Smartphone mount doesn't really matter. Supports any smartphone with or without a case. Very sturdy. Locking mechanism for it right here. Just lock it back. And unlock it, close it up, lock it back again. Just like that, very simple. This one also has a cold shoe mount support here on the top. If you have to put like a microphone or a light or something like that, whatever you need. This also supports GoPros. So if you have a GoPro, this would work perfectly for it. Okay. This goes in right here. Just like that. And this threads right in. And it only supports landscape mode, no portrait mode. So you can't really turn this just like this. Here you hold it in your hands. You know, you could have it set up in the way you like. Get any shot you want, you know, however you feel like you need it. And this is the Bluetooth remote here. Connects to your phone. In case you're far away from it, you get that shot. The next one I'm opening here is the GripTight PRO video stand. This is the more larger one. This one stands at almost 1 foot. This one's the more advanced one. If you need stable shots. You see it's larger. Supports any smartphone with or without a case. Portrait and landscape mode, whatever you want. So all you have to do is just go ahead, screw this on. And bam, that's it. Get that nice clean shot with this here. Very smooth movement. Perfect for those slow, still shots that need nice panning over, you know, if I'm showing something. Very sturdy, same material, TPU, rubber, and stainless steel. So it's extremely sturdy. For me, I wouldn't see myself using the action one as much. I don't really record outdoors, but this one here would be perfect for those slow, still shots that need nice panning over. So you could do it landscape or portrait. And this would easily hold my iPhone 11 Pro Max with a case. And then you can like move it around however you like. And with these flexible legs, it's very versatile, so you could hang it around whatever, a pole if you have to get that shot, hang it on the table leg if you have to get those low shots, hang it on a branch, especially with the action kit here. Hang it on the branch, get those action shots, you know. And with the Bluetooth remote, I think if you could create great content with these two tripods. And I think these are the best tripods for smartphones out there. You know, might not, if you're looking to record at regular shoulder height, these wouldn't work out well unless you put them up on a high table or you put them up at an elevated angle. But other than that, I mean, I think they work great. All right, and this is the unboxing for these two smartphone tripods. And if you guys liked what you saw, go ahead, comment, subscribe, and go ahead, leave a like for me. Thanks.